Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own DIY lashes at home. I've been doing my own lash extensions for about a year now, and typically I do use Lilac Street lashes. Those have been my go-to for about the last year, but I've been trying to branch out a little bit, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an Amazon brand. So these lashes right here are called Viator lashes. I have these in like a C-curl they look like, and I have it in lengths between 14 and 20 millimeters. I plan on installing these for you guys today, and then I also have some colored lashes that I wanted to play with. So I just got these off of Amazon. I really want to play with the pink ones today, try to see how those come out. So I'm just gonna hop right into this video and let you guys watch me put these on. So before I get started, I just like to lay everything out. I have my lashes right here. I have the colored ones right above that. I have some alcohol prep pads so I can clean off my tweezers in my tray. Below that, I have a mascara brush so I can separate my lashes, and then I also have a tray to lay out all of the lashes. So because these products are going to be going near your eyes, you definitely want to make sure to clean them off with rubbing alcohol beforehand. Just go in with your tweezers in your tray and wipe down anything that your lashes are going to touch. So the next step after that, you're just going to want to take your tweezers and gently remove the lashes from the little bin they come in. You want to be super gentle with this, and I think the lashes I had were just kind of fragile because I did get some that ripped apart when I was taking them out, but again, just be very gentle, pull from the base of the lash, and then move them over to your tray. For this look, I ended up using two 18s on the outer corner, two 16s in the middle, and then one of the 12 millimeters in my inner corner of my eye. I actually originally picked out a 20 millimeter for my outer corner, but the pink ones that I have are maybe around 14 millimeters, and I wanted them to stand out a bit more, so that's why I switched to a shorter lash. So I forgot to mention I did actually use one pair of the Lilac Street lashes just because I wanted a shorter inner corner, and the Amazon lashes only went to 14 millimeter. I really wanted a 12, so I just pulled out these. I also used my Lilac Street Pro Lash Glue. I really love that glue. I have it in black. I feel like I can typically get between 3 and 5 days of wear every time I use that glue. I've heard you can get up to a week of wear out of them if you use the primer with it too. I just haven't tried it yet, and I also don't have their remover, so typically I just remove my lashes with coconut oil. So these are all my lashes all laid out. I put them out from longest to shortest so that when I'm installing it, it'll go super quick and I can just swipe them on. Okay, so getting into this application, the very first thing I recommend you do is just going in with a clean mascara wand and just lightly separating and fluffing out your eyelashes. This will make it easier for everything to stick. So the next thing you want to do is take your Lilac Street Pro Lash Glue and then just apply that to your lashes like you would any type of mascara. Really focus it at the base of your lashes though, because that is where you're going to be pressing your clusters in. Another tip I have is just to work with half of your eye at one time, so apply the glue from the outer corner of your eye until about the center. When you do it this way, you guys can prevent the glue from drying before you get to your inner corner. Next, you're going to want to apply a small amount of glue to the actual lash cluster. So yes, you're going to have glue on both the lash cluster and your natural lashes. Once you have the glue in both places, you can go ahead and just start putting these bad boys on. It's actually really easy once you get started. You want to just take it and place it right on your lash line. I would say actually kind of a little bit above, and then just press it there for 2 or 3 seconds. I would hold it and then also press it in with your finger to make sure the glue actually bonds. I found it's easiest to apply these lashes if you have a mirror kind of below you, so you want to kind of look down into the mirror and then you can use your tweezers to place your lashes exactly where you want to get them. After that, it's really just repeating the process throughout your entire eye. So I mentioned I did use 2 of the 18s on my outer corner, then I went in with 2 of the 16s in the middle, then I used 2 of the 12s on my inner corner. It's actually super quick and easy. The whole process typically takes me around 10 minutes or less, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up, let you guys watch me continue putting these on. Once I'm done with that, I'll let you guys watch me put on the pink ones and explain how I did that. So this is how my base lashes turned out. They're a really nice kind of like natural volume set that I really like. If this is the look you're going for, you can definitely stop here, but next I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the look with the pink lashes too. Alright you guys, so I have all of my base lashes on as you can see, so now I'm going to go ahead in with these pink ones. I'm just going to use the pink ones for today. I'm thinking I'm just going to put them like on the very ends. I've seen them really cute as like an accent color, so I'm going to just go ahead, pull these off very gently, and then add those to the outer corners of my eyes. So adding the pink lashes was actually really simple and easy to do. It took like 5 minutes total. What you're going to do is just take your pink lash and add a dot of glue to it, and then just apply it to on top of the cluster lashes that you already have there. You want to space them apart. I think I used maybe 5 or 6 of them total, but you're going to start at the outer corner of your eye and then just place between 4 and 6 of them moving towards the inner corner. I know I said in the beginning that I got my colored lashes on Amazon, but I actually got them on Shein for $3.50, and you can definitely tell with the quality that these are not great at all. I honestly would not recommend getting these unless you just want to try them out for fun. I'm going to do some research and try to find some better colored lashes that'll be a bit more durable, because these honestly were kind of falling all over the place and were just really bad plastic material. Okay you guys, so I got my lashes on, both the solid color black and the pink ones, and I'm super happy with how they came out. You can't really even tell with the pink until you get closer to me, but it's super cute. It's a really nice pop of color that I honestly think I'm going to start wearing colored lashes more often. I will say though, I will need to find better quality of the colored lashes. The ones that I used for today were just from Shein, and that whole little pack that I showed you guys, this right here was around $3 or $4, so super cheap, and I could definitely tell that they weren't the best quality. I don't think I was able to pick up a single one of the pink ones without some of the strands falling off, so I'll do some investigating to see if I can find any that are better quality. I had kind of the same issue with the Amazon black lashes that I got too. I will say, in comparison to the Lilac Street Lashes, which is what I typically use, I could definitely tell that the Lilac Street Lashes had a little bit more care, quality put into them. In my opinion, the Lilac Street Lashes, they're really thin and also flexible, which is super nice, so they're really nice on your eyes. With the new ones, with these ones that I put on today, the lash band is a little bit on the thicker side, and it's also kind of stiffer, so there were times where I could feel that it was poking a little bit more than I liked, or more than I would have with the Lilac Street Lashes, but it was definitely a really good idea to try them out. Like I said, I'm just really trying to expand the different brands and stuff that I'm trying, and I will honestly say that I probably will not be buying this particular brand again. I have gotten another brand of cluster lashes on Amazon, I think from B&Q Lashes, that I did like a lot, so I'll probably stick with those in the future. These ones though, they were just a really nice kind of natural volume look, which I really like. The pop of pink, again, super cute, really obsessed with it, and I definitely plan on doing more colored looks like this in the future. With this pack here, I have some purple and then like some blue ombres to play with, so I might go in with those too. But overall, really happy with how this came out. Again, I will have more videos like this in the future, so if you like this one, be sure to give it a like. Let me know in the comments how you felt about it, if there's anything else you guys want to see in the future, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!